Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this boost bearing using Creo parametric. This is front view and this one is a top view. This is the assembly construction view. The same model we are going to model using Creo parametric. Let's get started. Now, so I opened the Creo parametric software. Now just go to new, solid, part, untick this use default template, give OK. Now just go to part solid absolute, then give OK. Now I'm just moving into the front view. Now I'm going to start with the bottom portion. This rectangular plate of length 100, total length is this and thickness is 28, and we just want to extrude up to the length of 75. So I'm just taking front plane, sketch view. To make symmetric, I'm just making axis. First I'm just creating a line, symmetric line of length 32 plus 166 plus 32. Here you can see 32 plus 166 plus 32. Enter. Total length is 230. It will come symmetric. Then height, this is 28. Now we can make equal line. So this is a rectangle. Now sketch is done. The bottom plate sketch is done. Just click OK. Go to extrude. Just rotate your object by using mouse roller. Go to a symmetric. Now we just want to extrude the bottom portion up to the length of 75. 75. Enter. Give OK. Then we just want to create this one. For that, we just take this mid plane, go to sketch view. Now this is actually a separate component. This inner circle is this is boost, that is a separate component. We will draw in the second model. This outer circle is of a diameter 100. I just giving one random circle, diameter is 100. And the height from the bottom, the center point height from the bottom is 65. This one is 65. Then the another circle is diameter of 66. Just take a circle. This diameter is 66. Enter. Now just make this line. Go to this line, make a line. It's better we can take reference. Line up to this. Here you can click, connect here and connect here. This line we don't want. For that we can delete the edges. Go to delete segments, delete this edge and delete this edge. Now you can see this is we wanted. So this portion we just want to extrude up to the length of 100 and both the side. Sketch is done. Just OK. Go to extrude, make into symmetric. The length is 100. Now this is also be length of This is only the length of 75 only. Only the cylindrical portion extruded up to the length of 100. So for that, just select the midplane, go to sketch and sketch. Now go to reference, outer circle and inner circle. You can make it into reference. Then just create two circle. Now just OK. Go to extrude, make that into symmetric 100, and take this material removal. Press OK. So this is the way it has. Now we have done. Then we just want to make a round of radius 10 here, as well as the round of radius 10 here. For that, use this round tool. Just click this round, press this round, and press the control and select this edge, and this edge. Here the radius is 10. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we have done. Then one more feature is this cut and this oil hole we just want to make. Okay, first I'm going to make this hole. So select this surface, go to sketch view. So this is a mid. This circle, this hole is located at the mid of this, because total length is 75. Half is, just make this one to 37.5. So this is mid one. Then we just want to make this final edge and this final edge. Just close. First, I'm just creating a small rectangle. Then I just make this into symmetric this, and this length. Then one more line I'm making somewhere here. I just want to make symmetric to this also. Symmetric. Then distance they have specified from this point to this final edge is 32. Here they have given from the center to here 32, and from this center to here is 37.5. Dimension here to here is 37.5. okay, and this rectangle here 20 and this is 20. This distance they are not given. For we'll make it after that. First we'll make a arc of center and ends. So center, first end, second end is not connecting, means just place there and make it coincident constraint. Similarly, we make here also this point. If it is not connecting, place it here. Go to coincident constraint. Just make it. Okay. Now this total length is they have specified as 25. For that, go to dimension. This circle, press it here. This distance is 25. Remaining things just delete it. Delete segments, delete these edges and these edges. So this is a feature we have. Okay, now we have done. Just give OK. Go to extrude. Just rotate, change the direction, material removal to next. Now it has created the cut. Press OK. The same cut we just want to make here also. For that we can use pattern, or we can use mirror. So select this extrude 4, go to mirror, select this midplane and press OK. Now we have created the hole. Now finally we just want to make oil hole of this oil hole of dia 5 CS countersink at 45 degree to 3 dia. So for that we just want to make one point here. So bottom plane, the total height of this is 65 plus 50. 65 plus 50, just enter. Now we have created a plane here. Now this selects this plane, sketch view. Now we got one plus axis, 2 axis. Then we just want to make a point here. Then click OK. See, we have one point here. Now we can make an oil hole by using a standard hole. Go to hole, click this point. Here you can give a standard. Here we can specify countersink of this diameter is 5 and this diameter it's not showing. This length is throughout. For that we can just drag it. Countersink. Not this one. Dia is not 4.5. To next, not to this. This is diameter 5 and this diameter is 3. A simple shape, standard countersink. ISO blind up to this dia. You can choose this one, 5. Contract up to this. I'm just giving cancel. Select the sketch, go to hole, placement is the sketch one, diameter is 5, shape, so standard, this is we can drag, countersink, this diameter is 5, press OK. This is the standard option is there, so for that we just hide this one. So now we have created the world. Now we can save this file, save as, save a copy, part 1, save. Now we just want to create the second part. For that, go to new solid part and tick this one. OK. Our unit is mm. OK. Now the second part we just want to make this bush. The bush also having hole here. Front plane, sketch view. Here the inner diameter is 50, outer diameter is 66. Two circles we just want to make. First one, second one. Inner diameter is 50, outer diameter is 66. Fit screen, just OK. Extrude, symmetric to 100, just OK. Here we just want to make a hole similar there. Take a plane, distance we just want to make is 33. Confirm. So take this plane, sketch view. Here we just want to make a point. I just created a point, then OK. Then go to standard hole, placement is sketch, diameter is 5, extrude up this one, just OK. Now it's done. Now save the file, save as, save a copy, part 2. So now we have created both the parts. Then we just want to assemble the parts by using Creo assembly. Close, go to new solid, instead of part we just go to assembly and tick this default template, then OK. Now this one is the unit Newton solid assembly design absolute, just OK. Now this is the assembly module. Here we just want to import the parts, then we just want to assemble. Go to assemble, our part 1. So this is our part, we can rotate here and check. So this is our first part, so just open it. So first part came here. Default we just want to set this as a default component. Go to default. This yellow color indicates that this is fully constrained. You can see here this is fully constrained. Then give OK. Then second part we just want to import this part 2. So it has a 6 degree of freedom, so one by one we just want to constrain it. So first I am making a constraint of axis. Here you can see there is an axis. This axis has to sit with this axis. Here there are different constraint options: angle, offset, parallel, coincident, normal, coplanar. Here both the thing has to be coincident. Then I just making this into here. Then this front surface is to coincident with this surface. See, it makes defaultly a distance, but I just want to make into coincident. You can see whole diameter is different, that's why it looks like. So now it is fully constrained. You can see here allow assumption made the object into fully constrained. So don't confirm it. Now just making some color. So these two components we have. Now we have done our model completely. This is our model. Now we have done our model completely. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.